Optimizing building operations today is all about balancing comfort with efficiency, precision with profitability, and sophistication with simplicity. Carrier offers heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment, building automation systems, and expert service to help achieve that balance while intelligently bringing all aspects of your building together. The backbone of it all is Carrier's iView building automation system, a native BACnet factory-designed control system which is optimized to work with Carrier HVAC equipment while also having the flexibility to control your existing equipment. Fully tested and documented by our team of experts, this system helps provide building owners and operators with extra peace of mind. The system is built around powerful iView controls. Whether factory installed or field mounted, these controls enable Carrier equipment to be iView ready, which means that powerful building automation features are already at your fingertips. iView keeps your facility's staff connected to their Carrier heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, along with ancillary building systems, including lighting, boilers, and variable speed drives, from anywhere and at any time, from any internet-connected device. And just as important as the ability to control your building is the fact that we make it easy. With iView, you gain increased visibility into your building operations via an intuitive, graphic-rich interface that allows you to create and view trends, graphics, reports, schedules, alarms, and much more. It's everything you need to proactively maintain the ideal level of comfort for occupants, optimize energy usage, assess and address building trends, and resolve problems faster. And Carrier makes service simple too. Our factory-authorized Carrier Controls certified experts are specially trained in the installation and service of iView building automation systems in commercial buildings. More than just controls installers, they're partners dedicated to maximizing the value of your systems, optimizing the performance of your facility, and protecting your investment in Carrier equipment and controls. Add this expert service to our world-class equipment, advanced iView controls, and powerful building automation system, and it's clear that Carrier has you and your building covered.